putting all the formula in one place from the chapters of motion, from the chapters of force, we have force is equal to mass into acceleration. From the chapter of gravity, we have force equals to g into mass of the two objects product by the distance, the square of the distance between them. And then we have the formula for the acceleration due to gravity, which is nothing but of the earth, mind you. And we have weight of the any object on earth is mass into gravity. And here again, force acting on any object placed on the earth's surface will be mass of that object into the gravitational into the acceleration due to gravity concept, which we have seen in the previous video in great detail. And this is nothing, this can also be written as mass into gravity, which is nothing, which can also be known as weight. So weight is nothing but a form of force. And again, we have this gravity on the surface of moon is nothing but 1/6 the gravity on the surface of the earth. And similarly, weight on the surface of the moon will be 1/6 of the weight on the surface of the earth, weight of any object on the surface of the earth. So it is very important to understand and memorize and know these formulae in great detail. Everything has been explained, and this is a ready reckoner for all the formulae that have come across till now for all the 3 chapters.